We all know these past few years have been tough on families everywhere, and now more than ever, it is important for families and providers to help children build resilience and healthy communities together. Joining us now to discuss this and share resources to help build child resiliency is Andrea Cody, Senior Project Manager at Sesame Workshop, and Dr. Arethusa Kirk, National Senior Medical Director at Unitedhealthcare Community and State. Thanks for joining us, ladies.
Thank you for having us.
Andrea, you are launching new storybooks and resources today to help build resilience in children. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sesame Workshop is the nonprofit behind Sesame Street, and we're so thrilled to be launching these new resources in English and in Spanish to help kids build resilience and learn to thrive in their communities. So we want to help kids learn how to bounce back from life's ups and downs. They were made possible by Unitedhealthcare and include 3 new storybooks featuring our Sesame Street Muppets for families and a comprehensive online course for providers to help teach confidence, encourage kids to practice persistence, and learn how to deal with change, which are key ingredients to building resilience.
Dr. Kirk, what are some of the challenges that children and families faced in the past few years?
Well, the challenges have been replete, and we continue in this journey in the pandemic altogether, and children certainly aren't immune from those stressors. There's a couple core components I really want to get into. The first is that about 25% or 1 in 4 children have actually missed a primary care preventive visit. So getting back into your primary care office and establishing that medical home is a clear call to action. The second is that we had a mental health crisis in our country before the pandemic, and these stressors have affected families as well as children. And we've seen a significant increase in the number of children that have come into the ER with mental health crisis as well as suicidal ideation. And then thirdly, we've seen that this pandemic has affected our communities, and over 140,000 children have actually lost a parent or grandparent due to the mortality from COVID-19. So, dealing with change is the fact that these children are going to have to deal with significant change, and resiliency components, which includes confidence, persisting through significant adversity, and then dealing with the aspects of an ever-changing environment are the core skills they actually need in order to thrive into adulthood.
Unitedhealthcare has worked with Sesame Street for more than 10 years. Can you share more about this relationship?
Together for over a decade to support families, healthcare providers, and communities as they help kids everywhere grow smarter, stronger, and kinder. And together we've addressed a variety of topics, including food insecurity, physical activity, developmental milestones, and building healthy habits through great materials for parents and providers. And we also annually celebrate Grandparents' Day, and we honor and support the role that grandparents play in raising our kids. So we're so excited to add to this long partnership and include our resources on building resiliency to help kids build a strong foundation for lifelong healthy habits.
Where can people go to take the course and download the storybooks?
The resources are all available in English and Spanish for free for parents and providers to access at sesamestreetincommunities.org/resilience.
Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love that they're working together. I grew up with Sesame Street.
Me too. This is such a wonderful, wonderful collaboration because not only the kids love it, but the parents love it too. So
Yeah, don't lie. You sit down and watch Sesame Street.
You know I do.